Okay, today I will be showing you guys how to make homemade Thin Mints. And it is easy just to go and ask a Girl Scout to get a box of Thin Mints, but I think it's much simpler and I think they taste a lot better if you make them in the comfort of your own home. So to begin with the ingredients, you're going to need a box of Ritz crackers, which I didn't bring because I didn't have to make it today. I made them last night. And you're only going to need like a half a teaspoon, but I think this is the smallest bottle you can get of peppermint extract. And then if you have a double boiler, it's easier to use, but I don't. So I use these two pans, and later I'll show you how to do that. And then you'll need a bag of chocolate chips. Okay, and the first step to do is make sure you have all your ingredients. And then you're also going to need a cookie sheet and some wax paper. So you need to place the cookie sheet into the refrigerator to keep it cool while you are making these and melting the chocolate. So that way when you dip them and then place them on the cookie sheet, they'll cool and they'll not get all messy and everywhere. Okay, so to begin, you need to put the chocolate chips in. Okay, well, if you have a double boiler, put them in the double boiler. If you don't, I'm going to show you how to use a double boiler method. You put the chocolate chips into the smaller pan, and then you put maybe, I'm thinking, a half of a cup of water in the bigger pan, and then let it boil, and then you place the smaller pan in the middle of it, and then you just slowly stir the chocolate until it's all smooth and melted. And then after that is melted, you can start dipping the Ritz crackers into the chocolate with, I use toothpicks just because they're smaller and it's easier because they have holes in the crackers, but you can use a fork or anything else, a spoon, and then dip the cracker and then place them onto the wax paper on the cold cookie sheet. And then when you have all of them covered, you can place the cookie sheet into the refrigerator and cool them. It doesn't take very long. It only takes like 5 minutes. And then they're basically done. And I like to, you can add stuff into them too. I usually don't because I like the plain better, but you can add like any other kind of flavor into them and make them basically any other different kind of cookie. So you could add like almond extract or anything else, and they wouldn't be really Thin Mints anymore. They'd be like more almond cookies. But this will basically work with anything, and I'm going to pass out some today for you guys to try. So, do you guys all want some, or I'll just let you try? They're kind of, I don't know if anybody would want them in the morning. I'm not going to eat it, to be honest. But, David, do you want one? Do you want one, Thomas?
Should I go later then?
No.
I'll get it later.
Oh.
Yeah, I would like one.
And this was actually, I made like 3 batches of this, so this is made a bunch. And usually a bag of chocolate chips, oh, sorry you guys. Usually a bag of chocolate chips will cover about a whole row of crackers. So this was about 3 rows of them. And the reason I'm wearing just regular clothes is because I usually, to make these, they're not very messy. I didn't wear an apron. I mean, my fingers get really dirty, but that's about it. I just wanted to dress for the part, basically. But if you want to wear an apron, you can. I would because it's kind of messy. And to conclude, I showed you the 3 easy ingredients to make these homemade Thin Mints. And then I showed you how to use either the double boiler or my double boiler method with the 2 pots. And then I showed you how to store them and keep them cool.